Good evening, all of you. In the last session, we discussed about several commands in the Linux. So do you remember what commands we discussed in the last session? Do you remember what commands we discussed in the last session? We discussed about cp command, move command, grep command. What is the purpose of a cp command? What is the purpose of cp command? Cp command is used to copy the data from one file to another file. Cp command is used to copy the data from one file to another file. All right. Now, then after we discussed about move command that is used to move the data from one file to, rename the files or moving the files. For that, we are going for cp command. Then after I discussed about comparing the files by using cmp command and diff command. CMP will display only first difference in the files. Diff command will display all the differences in the files. Then we discussed about grep command. Grep is very important command. Grep is used to search for the patterns in the files. If you want to search for some text in the single file or in the multiple files, then we will go for a command called grep command. Grep stands for global regular expression print. Now, I want to search for a text called null pointer exception in all the files, irrespective of the case sensitiveness. Then I will go for grep of -i null pointer exception. We can install grep using below command. We can install the grep using below command. If the grep is not working in your system, then you can install that. Grep word file name, which is used to search for the given word in the file, irrespective of the case sensitive, searching for the text in all the files, right? Like that, we can go for this grep command. Okay, fine guys. Let me connect to my EC2 instance. My instance is in the running state now. So do you know how to connect to the EC2 instance? It is in the running state. It is having a public IP. It is having a public IP. Now open putty software. Now open putty software. Then give the IP of the public IP of the machine. Go to auth, browse, upload the ppk file. Then appearance I'm giving, change to this. Bold 20 font size I'm going to keep so that you can see my commands clearly. Now, with this, I'm able to connect with my EC2 machine. EC2 machine is having Ubuntu OS. Ubuntu OS is one of the Linux distribution. Ubuntu is one of the Linux distribution. Can we see what is our present working directory? pwd. Currently, I am pointing to home and Ubuntu folder. Can you tell me how can I see all the files and directories available in this directory, in the present working directory? How to display all the files and directories available? Yeah, ls-l command. ls-l command. There are several files and directories are available. ls-l is for long listing. Long listing. Now, can I search for some text called grep-i, grep-i, I want to search for Ashok IT star. Now, what is happening? It is searching for the text Ashok IT in all the files. F2, F6, F99, hello.txt. These files are having Ashok IT. Okay, if I go for grep-r Ashok IT, grep-r Ashok IT, it is searching in the subdirectories also. When I go for this one, it is searching only in the main files. When I go for -r, it is searching in the subdirectories also. So do you understand what is the purpose of -r command? Do you understand what is the purpose of -r command? It is used to search for the text in the subdirectories also. It is used to search for the text in the subdirectories also. Now, today we are going to talk about another important command that is called vi command. Vi command and SED commands that we are going to understand today, they are very important commands. They are very important commands. Now, guys, so to type the text, it is wasting a lot of time. So I have prepared the notes for this topics. Okay, are you comfortable if I am using these notes to execute the commands, or you want me to type the text also? Are you comfortable if I use this notes, or you want me to type everything? If I'm typing, it is taking a lot of time, guys. If I'm typing, it is taking a lot of time. So I will use these notes. All right, very good. I will upload these notes to our portal so that you can also go through all these points. I have given all the commands in the notes along with the syntaxes. Clear? Now, so here today, first I'm going to talk about one command called VI command. VI command, VI is a editor. Now here, guys, if you see that there are several files available, ls-l, there are several files available. Now, can you tell me how can I see the file data? Can you tell me how can I see the file data? How can I see file data? By using cat command, cat space f1.txt. What is happening? The data is displaying. The data is displaying. Now, I want to edit the data. I want to edit the data. Now, generally, how I am editing the data? You see here, I have several documents in the Windows. I have several documents in the Windows. There is a file called OS introduction file is available. How I am opening? I am opening with the notepad. I am editing that file. And then I am saving that file. Then I am closing that file. That is in the Windows. Similarly, in the Linux, I want to edit this f1.txt file and I want to add some data. I want to modify some data. If you want to edit the files in the Linux, then we will go for a concept called editor concept. Then we will go for a concept called editor concept. Working with the text editors in the Linux, the default editor that comes with the Unix or Linux operating system is called VI editor. The system is called as VI editor, Vim editor. The default editor that comes with the Unix operating system is called VI editor. VI stands for visual editor. Now, using VI editor, we can edit an existing file or create a new file from scratch. We can also use this editor to just read a text file. That means what we can do with the VI editor? By using VI editor, we can create a file or we can open the file, we can edit the file and we can read the content of the file. How we are using a notepad to edit the data, to write the data, to read the data. Similarly, in the Linux, we have a text editor. The default text editor we have is called as VI editor. Okay. Now, so here guys, see here, I have a VI editor in the Linux. Now, let me open the file in the edit mode. VI f1.txt. I have opened that file. Can you see the file is opened? Can you see the file is opened? By default, the file opened in the command mode. You can just read the text and you can scroll the text. You can just read the text and you can scroll the text in the file. Now this is in the edit mode. This is in the edit mode. I have opened that file. The file is available in the command mode. Modes of operation in the VI editor. Modes of operation VI editor. There are 3 modes of operations in the VI. Modes of operations in the VI editor. There are 3 modes of operations in the VI. First one is command mode. Second one is insert mode. Third one is escape mode. Last mode, that is escape mode. First one is command mode. Second one is insert mode. Insert mode. Third one is last line mode, that is escape mode. That is escape mode. Now, I have opened my file. I have opened my file. Now, guys, see here. I have opened my file by using VI command. How to open a file with the editor? VI space file name f1.txt. The file opened. When the file opened, the file is in the command mode. When VI starts up, it is in command mode. This mode is where VI interprets any characters as we type as commands and does not display them on the window. This mode allows us to move through a file and to delete, copy or paste a piece of text. So by using this mode, you can move the file. You can move through the file. You can read the text from the file. You can delete the content. You can copy the content. You can paste the content in the file. That is called command mode. Whenever we open VI editor, by default, the file will be available in the command mode. To enter into command mode from any other mode, it requires to passing the escape key. Escape key. If we press escape, then we are already in the command mode. Then VI will beep or flash the screen. The default mode of the VI is the command mode. Now, when I am in the command mode, can I edit the text or I can only read the text? When I just execute VI space file name, VI space file name, I can read the text. I can move through the text line by line. Can I edit this? No, I can't edit. If I want to edit the file, then I should go for insert mode. To go for the insert mode, just to press I. Now you see I'm in the insert mode. Now I can write the text. How are you? Where are you, man? Where are you, my friend? Where are you, my friend? Like this, I have done the text adding. I have edited the text by using insert mode. Now from the insert mode, I want to come out to the command mode. Escape. I came to the command mode. Escape. If I want to go for insert mode, I. Now when I am in the I mode, I will write some text here. If I want to come back to command mode, escape. If I want to go for insert mode, I. Can you see here? Escape, I. Escape, I. Escape means I'm pressing escape keyword. I'm pressing I in the keyboard. If I press I, that means I'm in the insert mode where I can edit the text. I can write the text. I can edit the text. I can write the text. Come out from the insert, escape. Once you come to the escape, now you need to save the file and you need to close the file. For that, colon, see at the end, I'm typing escape. Then colon WQ, write and quit. Write and quit. Now I have made the changes to the file and I have closed that file. Now see cat f1.txt. Now this text I have written in the VI mode. Are you guys able to understand what is VI command? Are you guys able to understand what is VI command? What is the purpose of VI? Are you guys able to understand what is the purpose of VI? VI is the editor. That is the default editor that is available in the Linux. That is the default editor in the Linux. Got it? The default editor that comes with the Linux or Unix operating system is called VI. VI stands for Visual Editor. Using VI editor, we can edit an existing file or create a new file from the scratch. Now, guys, if I give VI ashok.txt, is that file available currently? Can you see here? ls-l. Do I have a file with the name called ashok.txt? It's not available. VI ashok.txt. VI ashok.txt. Hi. Now I am in the command mode. I'm in the command mode. Insert mode. Hi. Hi. Now escape. Colon WQ. Now do ls-l. Is that file created with a name called ashok.txt? Is the file created with a name called ashok.txt? Yes or no? Yes or no? So that means by using VI command, can I create the file also? We can edit the file and we can create the file also by using VI. If the file is not available, it is going to create that file when I use VI space file name. So what is the purpose of VI? It is an editor. What are the modes available in the VI? 3 modes are available. One is called command mode. Second one is called insert mode. Third one is called escape mode. The default mode when I execute VI command mode. The command mode is just used to go through the file content. If you want to edit the file, if you want to modify the data, if you want to write the data, then you should go for insert mode. How to go to insert mode? To come in insert mode, you simply type I in the keyboard. That's it. You will go to insert mode. To get out of insert mode, press the escape key, which will put you back onto command mode. Can you guys read these points? This mode enables you to insert the text into the file. Everything that's typed in this mode is interpreted as input, and finally it's put into the file. Whatever, after once you are in the insert mode, whatever you do in the keyboard, that data will be stored in the file. The VI always starts in command mode. To enter a text, you must be in the insert mode. By default, when you execute the VI command, you will be on the command mode. If you want to enter the data, then you should go for insert mode. How to go for insert mode? To come in insert mode, you simply type I, then you can write the data. Once you are in the insert mode, how to come out of that mode? By pressing escape key. That is what I have done here. See here, vi space ashok.txt. I will go to which mode, guys? I'm using vi command on the existing file. I will go to which mode now? I will go to command mode, or I will go to insert mode. I will go to command mode. What we can do in the command mode? What I can do in the command mode? Can I edit the data, or I can only read the data? I can see the data. I can see the data. Now I want to edit the data. How can I edit the data? How can I edit the data? Type I. Now I am in which mode? Now I am in which mode? Insert mode. Can you see here? I'm in the insert mode. Can I type the data? Hi friends. Hi friends. Hi friends. Are you able to understand Linux commands? Are you able to understand Linux commands? I'm typing that text there. Now I am in the insert mode. How can I come to the command mode? How can I come to the command mode? Come on. What I need to do to come to the command mode? Escape. Escape dabao. Now I am in which mode? Command mode. Now I am in which mode? Command mode. Now I want to save this file and I want to close this file. What should I do to save the file and close the file? Type, once you are in the command mode, type colon. If I type the colon, then I came to escape mode. If I type the colon, then I came to escape mode. WQ, write and quit. Write and quit. Yes, I closed it. Can we see the text of the file now? Cat ashok.txt. Cat ashok.txt. Now, can you see the text that I have added in the insert mode? Is it displaying now? WQ enter, colon WQ enter. Then it is going to save and quit. Are you guys clear with this? Insert mode. Next, what is the last mode? Escape mode. Last mode is invoked by colon. While VI is in the command mode, if you type the colon, then you will come to escape mode. You will come to escape mode. The cursor will jump to the last line of the screen and VI will wait for a command. Now you see, when I open VI ashok.txt, I'm in the command mode. Enter, enter, enter. Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to learn AWS and DevOps after 1 week? Are you willing to learn AWS and DevOps after 1 week? Like that, I am writing this data. Now, escape. Now I have pressed escape. How can I go to the escape mode now? How can I go to escape mode now? How can you go for escape mode? Press colon. When I press the colon, where is my cursor? When I press the colon, where is my cursor? Where is my cursor? End. Escape mode. It is waiting for my command. Then I'm writing WQ, write and quit. The data stored in the file. See that file? Cat ashok.txt. Now can you see that file is available with the data? Hi friends, are you able to understand Linux commands? Are you willing to learn AWS and DevOps after 1 week? Clear? With this, we are able to understand what is text editor in the Linux. VI is the default editor in the Linux. Command mode, insert mode, escape mode. I hope you understand the modes of the VI. Then after commands and their description, VI file name, VI file name, VI -r file name, view file name, open the existing file. Now moving with the navigation. Now for the VI command, we can give, once we execute the VI, there are several options we can use. K, move the cursor up one line. J, move the cursor down one line. H, move the cursor to the left one character position. L, move the cursor to the right one character position. Type, position cursor at the beginning of the line. Dollar, position cursor at the end of the line. W, position cursor to the next word. So can we execute these characters, guys? Can we execute these characters in the VI editor? Come on. Now here, see this. Let me go for VI ashok.txt. Now I am in the file. Can I go for insert mode? Insert. I have written some data. By mistake. I don't want to save this data. Someone is asking how to ignore the changes, Mr. Venkat. Now I'm in the which mode now? Insert mode. Come out. Now what I will do? Q. No write since last change. Add to override. W. Then we are here. WQ. Quit. There will be a command to quit. Non-editor : 1 second, sir. WQ. Now it is exiting. VI space ashok.txt. There is a data. Now insert mode. I'm writing some data. I don't want to save the changes and I want to quit it. Is this Q working? Not right since last change. Add : to override. 1 second. Q not. Now open VI ashok.txt. Go to insert mode. I want to add some data. ABC XYZ. I'm adding some data. Now escape : Q not. Now open cat ashok.txt. ABC XYZ data should not be displayed. Is that displaying ABC XYZ now? Is it displaying ABC XYZ now? It is not displaying. So after making the changes, can we ignore the changes also? By using Q not symbol. That means quit the file without saving the changes. Very good. Now, if we don't want to save the changes, after making changes, if we don't want to save those changes, then execute Q not. Then those changes are not going to save. Now here there are some options available. KJ, HL, $0, WB. There are several options are available. What is the purpose of these options? If you want to navigate to the file data, then you can go for these commands, guys. If you want to navigate through that, then you can go for these commands. Clear? VI ashok.txt. Now K. Now, so what are the commands available? K, move the cursor up one line. J, can you see when I'm pressing J, cursor is coming. When I'm pressing K, cursor is moving. J, K. K means moving up. J means coming down. Can I navigate through the file by using JK here? Yes, these are the options. JK. H is available. H is available. Move the cursor to the left position. L is available. Moving the cursor to the right position. Can you see this? L command, moving the cursor to right position. H available, moving the cursor to left position. HL. Are you guys able to understand my point? JKHL, HJKL keywords are in the sequence. HJKL. What is the purpose of H? Move the cursor to left character position. L, move the cursor to right character. J, move the cursor down one line. K, move the cursor up one line. Clear with my point? Now, if you go for a dollar, it is moving at the end of the line. Like this, you can go through these commands if you want to navigate through the data available in the file. Left, right, up, down, end of the line, start of the line. Like that, you can do that by using these things. Now, guys, can you tell me where we will use this VI editor in the real time? Why we will use this VI editor in the real time? Can you guys tell me why we will use this VI editor in the real time? Can anyone tell me why we will use it in the real time? Any idea? To write the scripts, note, use case. To edit the script files, use case. We will use VI editor to perform below activities. First one, to edit config files of our application. Application is going to run in the Linux machine. Any configuration file that is available for our application, we are going to edit that configuration files. To edit shell script files. To edit shell script files, we are going to use these editors. Do you understand where we are going to use this editor in the real time? In the application, we will use some configuration files, right? So if you want to change some configuration, your database password changed, or you want to change the log file path, you want to change the database password. If you want to make any configuration changes, then we are going to do these things. If we want to make any configuration changes, then we are going to do these things. Are you clear with my point? Are you clear with my point? Are you clear with my point? We will use VI editor. To perform below activities. To edit config files of our application, to edit shell script files. We will use VI editor. Very good. Guys, are you comfortable with VI editor now? Why we will use VI editor? Next one, there is another important command that we need to understand in the Linux, that is called SED command. There is another important command that we need to understand in the Linux, that is called SED command. SED command in Unix or Linux stands for stream editor. What is the purpose of this command, guys? Stream editor, it can perform lots of functions on file like searching, find, replace, insertion, deletion. These kind of activities we can perform on the file by using SED command. Now, generally, SED command is used for substitution. I want to replace one word with the another word. Then we will go for which command? SED command. So most common use of SED command in the Unix is for substitution or for find and replace. By using SED, you can edit the files even without opening them, which is much quicker way to find and replace something in file than first opening the file in the VI editor and then changing it. Now, guys, I want to edit some word. I want to replace some word with the another word. I want to replace one word with the another word. Then what you will do by using VI editor? I want to replace one word with the another word in the file. Do you need to open the file to modify the data? Do you need to open the file to modify the data or not? But If you go for sed command, without opening the file, you can modify the data. If you go for sed command, without opening the file, you can modify the data. That is called stream editor. Sed command in Unix stands for stream editor, and it can perform lots of functions on file like searching, find and replace, insertion or deletion. The most common use of sed command in the Unix is for substitution or for find and replace. Find the text and replace the text. For that we will go for sed command in the Linux. By using sed, you can edit files even without opening them. By using sed, you can edit files even without opening them, which is much quicker way to find and replace something in file than first opening that file in VA editor and then changing it. Are you clear with my point? Without opening the file, you can find the text and you can replace. SED is a powerful text stream editor, can do insertion, deletion, search and replace. Substitution ke liye we can go for SED command. Are you guys clear with my point? Now, let me take one file. Let me create one file with some data. Let me create one file with some data. Now here, I'm creating a file with a name called cat myfile.txt. Execute the command. Cat myfile.txt. It is waiting for the data. I'm going to store this data in the file. I'm going to store this data in the file. I'm going to store this data in the file. What happened? Cat myfile.txt. It's waiting for that. I'm copying some data. Copy. I pasted. Enter. Control D. Now can we see the data in the file? Cat myfile.txt. Can we see cat myfile.txt here? Cat myfile.txt here. Cat myfile.txt. Data is available. Now my requirement is I want to replace Unix with the Linux. Wherever Unix is available, I want to replace that with the Linux. Now see here, Unix is great OS, Unix is open source, Unix is free OS, learn operating system, Unix, Linux, which one you choose? Unix is easy to learn, Unix is multi-user, learn Unix, Unix is powerful. There are so many places Unix is available. Now I want to replace the Unix word with the Linux word. Which command I need to use? If I go for VI, what is now? Guys, I want to replace Unix with Linux. Generally, what you will do? VI myfile.txt. Now, manually, do I need to replace every word or not? Manually, I need to replace every word or not? Is it easy? Is it easy? My file is having 1000 lines. My file is having 1000 lines. Can you replace Unix with Linux in 1000 lines? Difficult, Dana? So, if you want to substitute, if you want to replace the text, then VI is recommended or SED command is recommended? VI is recommended or SED command is recommended? If you want to perform some substitution, if you want to perform a find and replace, then go for SED command. SED stands for stream editor. SED stands for stream editor. Now tell me when to go for VI command and when to go for SED command. When to go for VI command and when to go for SED command. When to go for VI and when to go for SED command. VI if you want to make any change at one or two places. If you want to make the changes at one or two places, then you go for VI. When you want to find and replace, then go for SED command. Now exit this file. Exit from this file, :WQ, exit. Now see here, I want to replace. Guys, can you observe the text? Can you read the text first? Before going to execute the SED command, can you read the text now? Cat myfile.txt. Cat myfile.txt. Now it is file data. This is file data. So how many places Unix is available? In multiple places Unix is available. Now I want to replace the Unix with Linux. Now what is the command? Sed yes Unix comma Linux. Now Unix comma Linux. So here my file name is myfile.txt. Sed command is mostly used to replace the text in a file. The below is simple sed command replaces the word Unix with Linux in the given file. In the file. Now, so go to this command sed Unix with Linux /s/Unix/Linux. That means wherever Unix is available, replace that with the Linux in the given file. Now it is done. Guys, what happened? See this text and see this text. All the places Unix is replaced with Linux, or only in the first place Unix is replaced with Linux? All the places Unix is replaced with Linux, only first place it is replaced? All the places it is replaced, or only first place it is replaced? Come on guys. All the places it is replaced, or only first place it is replaced? Only first place it is replaced. Only first place it is replaced. By default, sed command replaces the first occurrence of the pattern in the each line, and it won't replace the second, third occurrences in the line. It is replacing first occurrence in the each line. Linux. First place Unix is there, Unix is there. In every line, first occurrence is replaced. Can you see the beauty? When you go for /s/Unix/Linux, only in the first occurrence in the line is replaced. In every line, first occurrence replaced. Every line, first occurrence replaced. Okay, right. Replacing nth occurrence of the pattern in the file. If you want to replace the second occurrence, then you can go for this. If you want to replace all the occurrences, of the file, then G we have to specify. Yes, Unix/Linux/G global. That means it is going to replace all the occurrences. If you want to replace only second occurrence in every line, /2. If you don't specify anything, by default it will change only first occurrence in every line. Now let me go for G global set /s/Unix/Linux/G myfile.txt. Sorry, command syntax wrong. I have to delete this $. Okay. Now can you see wherever Unix is available, is it replaced with Linux now? Wherever Unix is available, it is replaced with Linux now. Wherever Unix is available, it is replaced with the Linux now. So you can, by default, it will replace only first occurrence in the every line. You can replace the nth occurrence of the line also by specifying line number for the sed command. If you specify /G, it is going to replace all the occurrences of the pattern in the line. That is called global. Now we can delete the lines from a particular file. To delete a particular line, we can say $D. That means delete the 5th line of the file. To delete the last line, $D. Delete from the 12th line to the last line, 12, $D. So here, if you give this, it is going to delete the 5th line. Now, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are available. Now, what I will do, I will give 3D. Sorry, myfile.txt. Now what happened? Out of 4 lines, are we getting only 3 lines? Third line is deleted. Third line is deleted or not? So deleted third line. How to delete the last line of the file? myfile.txt. How to delete the last line of the file? Sed $D myfile.txt. Last line is deleted. Okay. Can I delete from specific line number to the last line? Line number, $D. From 12th line, delete from nth to last line. From the line number 12 to everything it is going to delete. From given number to the last. From given line number to the last it is going to delete. To delete from nth to last line. So like this. Now, are we opening the file to perform these operations? Are we opening the file to perform these operations? Clear. Are we opening the file to perform these operations? Without opening the file, we are performing the operations by using SED command. SED stands for Steam Editor. If you want to perform the operations by using VI, first you need to open the file, then you need to perform the operations. VI is a visual editor, SED is a stream editor. SED is a stream editor. Clear? Can you guys read this? What is the purpose of SED command? What is the purpose of SED command? Can you read this? What is the purpose of SED command? Come on. Okay. Now, guys, here when I make the changes by using SED command, is it saving the file data cat myfile.txt? Is it making the changes or changes are available as it is? SED command making the changes to the file or SED command not making the changes to the file? SED is making the changes or SED is not making the changes? SED command is making the changes or SED command is not making the changes? Not making the changes to the file. Then how can I make the changes to the file? How can I make changes to the file? Can you see here? Now I want to replace globally. I want to replace globally. Wherever Unix is available, I want to replace with the Unix globally. Wherever Unix is available, I want to replace that with the wherever Unix is available, I want to replace that with the Linux globally. I have done. It is displaying the output here. But when I see cat myfile.txt, what happened? Changes are permanent or changes are temporary? Changes are temporary. Now, can you check and tell me how can I make SED command changes permanent to the file? How can I make SED command changes permanent to the file? Can you Google it and can you tell me? Can you Google it and can you tell me how to save SED command changes to the file permanently? How to make SED command changes to the file permanently? कैसे करना है? Any idea? Can you try this at home before coming to Monday's class? Can you try this at home before coming to Monday's class? -I option. -I. Someone told -I. -I. Now, cat myfile.txt. Wow, man, you are right. -I option is working. -I option is working. If you use -I, then these changes are going to save to the file permanently. By default, sed command changes will not reflect in the file. Note guys, very important point. By default, sed command changes will not store in file. To make sed command changes to the file permanently, to make sed command changes to file permanently, we will use -i option. Then those changes will be stored to the file permanently. What is the command I have used? Sed. What is the command I have used? Sed command. Okay. Like this we can do this. $set -i. Then these changes. Unix will be with the above command. What is going to happen? With the above command, Unix keyword will be replaced with the Linux keyword in the file permanently. -i is the option to save sed command changes to the file permanently. Very good point, guys. Very good point. Clear? Yeah. Next session is very, very important and it will take 1 hour of time to understand, guys, file permissions. So that I am going to discuss in the Monday session. I am giving the notes today only. If you have free time tomorrow, you can go through the notes. Monday, I will discuss about file permissions. Sunday, chutti. Tomorrow festival is also there. And I should give some rest to my throat also. Otherwise, wo toot jayega. Tomorrow I will take rest. We'll be back on Monday. Yesterday's class video I have uploaded already in the YouTube. Yesterday notes also uploaded in the portal. Yesterday video also uploaded in the YouTube. Today's notes I will upload. Today's video also I will upload. I told you in the Telegram group I am already uploading the videos. Can you see that? In the Telegram already I have uploaded all the videos. Yesterday video also I have uploaded. Okay guys. So this is our Telegram URL. You join in that. You will get the notes and you will get the videos. Okay. I wish you all of you happy Sri Rama Navami. We will meet again on Monday. Monday we will talk about file permissions in the Linux. Very, very important. All the class videos I have uploaded in the YouTube related to Linux. Today is the 6th class. All the 5 classes videos I uploaded. Today's video also I will upload in the YouTube. I will share in the Telegram group. Please join with us in the Telegram. Okay guys. Thank you. We'll see you on Monday. Bye bye. Happy weekend.